that ½ inch and up is a blessing and a curse. So Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Enjoying my day with my mom out in Minnesota where they have no snow. All of a sudden, clients keep texting me and calling me, asking me when I'm gonna be by. I'm like, what do you mean? They're like, well, we got like an inch of snow. So that's what we're doing tonight. 7:15 p.m. right now. I just took a little nap since I've been up since 5 in the morning. But yeah, gonna get out there and make $1,000. So those two driveways took 16 minutes total. You'll see the clip kind of cut out there for a second. New client came out and just wanted to chat real quick, wish me a happy Thanksgiving. So yeah, 16 minutes, $100 in. Hopefully we're home by midnight. We got 19 to knock out today. Been out here for an hour and 40 minutes. Got 6 properties done and a quick trip stop in. Even made a phone call. So we out here. It's still flurrying quite a bit. Thought it was supposed to be done for the night, but the weather can't get it right, I guess. So it definitely caught me lacking earlier. I might have said this earlier, but there's a factory in a town 20 miles away, and their smokestack was adding stuff to the low clouds, which caused this 2 inches of snow out of nowhere earlier during the flurries, which is wild to think about. So we out here on Thanksgiving because of some factory, but we're pulling up to the 7th property here, and we still got a bunch to go tonight. 9:40, hoping to be home by midnight, but nah, maybe not. $60 and 15 minutes right there, and they even had to check in the door for me. Can't beat it. So not the house I just did, but the one before it. That client has been sick for, I don't even know how long. I'm pretty sure over a decade. And he's pretty much stuck to the second floor of his house for most of it. And he had a stroke recently. I found that out when I was over there doing the tree trimming. If you're a constant watcher, you know that short I just put up last week, or not even last week, just a few days ago probably. And he called me today and asked if I could help his wife tomorrow get him up to the second floor, and I said yeah. So I'm gonna go meet him at 12:30 tomorrow and get him on up back home. And that's why, you know, my clients love me. I'm more than just the grass and snow guy. They know they can call me when they're in a pinch. I've had clients call me to help just lift heavy grills and put them in their sheds for the winter, run a few errands for them when they're just can't do it themselves. And then yeah, if you have a stroke, I'll even carry you upstairs to your couch or to your wheelchair or whatever you got, and get you comfortable. So more than just a lawn guy, you know, I'm just a guy, I guess, because they know they can call me for anything. I appreciate their business, and I'm willing to help. So be the change you want to see in this world. Couldn't get the camera on in time, but I just watched a guy coming down a hill try to make a right turn, and too fast, smoked the median with both his tires, and I'm pretty sure he just did some damage to his car because he threw on his hazards. Crazy that there is no snow whatsoever really in this neighborhood. I came all the way over here to the north side and nothing to do. So that wraps up our night. I know I didn't get them all on camera, and some clients even just did theirs themselves because it was mostly on the south side of town. Then in the middle of town it was probably closer to a half-inch dusty, and then here on the north side there's really nothing. So it was Thanksgiving. They probably had people coming over and they just went ahead and knocked it out themselves real fast. I'm not mad. Saved me a little bit of time. It is 11:06. By the time I get home, it'll be closer to 11:20. So I'll be out here for 4 hours technically with drive time and whatnot. If I would have had to do them all, I'd probably be out for 5.5 hours with the shovel, but that's just because shoveling is slower than it needs to be. So I was doing some 2-inch driveways, and that was kind of slowing me up a little bit. But I got my eyes on the Aaron's 21 professional single stage snowblower to act as like a power broom basically. So hopefully my shoveling days will be behind me. But this was a freak storm. It wasn't even supposed to happen. I was planning on going and getting that this weekend. Struggled on a few icy hills, but I have a tire appointment Friday, Black Friday morning at 8 a.m. at Firestone to get some good winter tires on so I can do some plowing and whatnot. But yeah, man, I just wish the storm would have held off a little bit. But you know, hey, out here for 4 hours and made some good money, so I can't really complain. Like I said, that half-inch is a curse and a blessing. You got to go out when no one else is out, really. But hey, more money in my pocket, and things aren't getting any cheaper. I got all this debt now between the truck, the plow, and everything. So good to make some money so I can cover my payments for sure. Plus, with Christmas around the corner, I did most of my holiday shopping already. But you know, now I can get my wife this ring I've been looking at. So I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Cheers, more bids and vids. Have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving.